Meteorologist Joe Hansel with a look at your predicted severe weather threats on this Sunday, the final day of May. And our flip of the calendar into June is going to be a hot one for many of us, and watching for severe weather and maybe some tropical development in the Gulf of Mexico. Let's start. 108 in Phoenix today. Another excessive heat warning for those folks. As far north as eastern Montana, big sky country. Billings about 18 degrees above averages, cooler for basically the eastern half of the nation. We'll flip the script as we get in towards June. The central and eastern thirds of the nation, we're expecting a lot of heat to build in for the start to June. Cooler than averages from June 5th to June 9th is expected. For areas of the Intermountain West, Tropical Storm Amanda made its way in landfall somewhere between Guatemala and El Salvador this morning. There's where those countries are. We'll slowly work north across and eventually in southeastern New Mexico near the Yucatan, and kind of just park itself in far southern areas of the Gulf of Mexico early this week for quite some time near the Bay of Campeche. So we're going to keep an eye on that. A lot of uncertainty with Amanda right now. 109 in Phoenix, 104 in Tucson. That's good enough for an excessive heat warning. We got ourselves elevated to critical wildfire concerns for cities like Las Vegas. Red flag warnings, areas of Nevada and Utah as a result. And there's that excessive heat warning in Phoenix and Tucson, which will be the last day of that for today. To the west, there is a stationary front that's doing what its name says, remaining stationary, not moving much. Heat, humidity, instability developing, marginal risk of severe weather in those dark green shades, large hail, damaging winds. And near the Black Hills, Rapid City of South Dakota, with the winds interacting with the higher terrain of the Black Hills, can't rule out a spin up of a tornado as well late this afternoon through tonight. Wrapping up some heavier rain near Spokane, Washington this morning. It'll be late to this afternoon tonight with that stationary front. We'll watch for those showers and storms to go strong or severe, and more severe weather and heat building in for areas of the upper Midwest. Minneapolis near 87, Denver sweating near 90 for your first day of June.